Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to make the video for you. I'm going to show you a list of birds that we have over here, and this is we have 15 different kind of birds that recommended use, but some that might be not really familiar to our country, and somehow somebody know but somebody maybe not know, because if they are big they know a lot of kind of birds, but if they are small it might be not. But over here I'm going to read for you and then translate for you in Khmer. That would be help you to use that words in your real life, or that would be help you to know how to read those kind of names of the bird, and also that would be help you to get the new word. Okay, the first word is owl. 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 Owl in Khmer we say Satitui. And then the second one is penguin. 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 So this is maybe not having in Cambodia, so the name is the same. In Khmer also say penguin. Alright. And another one is turkey. 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 Okay, so this is it's similar to a hen. Okay, because this is a kind of bird as well. ចឹងមួយនេះគឺជាមាន់ដែរប៉ុន្តែយើងឲ្យឈ្មោះថាមាន់ទូគី ឬខ្លះគេឲ្យឈ្មោះថាមាន់ប្រាំង Okay, one more is duck. 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 Okay, duck. Dân bông ôn cho anh còn score là duck deer. Another one is parrot. 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 Okay, you also know parrot. Miền này thá sắp xỉ. Ostrich. 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 Okay, ostrich. Anh lấy dân ăn ostrich. Đọc về Khmer dân bộ thá sạch ostrich. Bồn lấy miền nằm lại đó, bồn ostrich đó. Kể cho chất tinh. Giờ tới nhằm cái thá chlad, cô chlad cô này chân tay. Okay, one more is roaster. 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 Okay, this is a kind of a chicken, one kind of chicken, because chicken that is the original name, but we divide those in many different kind. So this is the roaster. Roaster means they have one go. Cái mong phone ai score na one go. Okay, one more is chick. 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 Chân chick ní muôn đá tại cồn muôn. Ok, hay dân miền kháng khổ nên môi tiện đó hen mê muôn mà tại toàn đỏ tệ nhâm đằng an chỉ chua tam mê sấn. Môi tiết Walter. 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 Walter, if we translate it in Khmer, miền này thá sạch mát. Sạch mátคือจะเป็นสัตว์มวยได้ซีระบบซอลหรือก็สัตว์ดอกเตยได้งวบหอยตุกยูบ้านมาตัดบ้านไอ้จังเตยนะบ้านเวซีอัพซีระบบสระเตย Okay, one more is pigeon. 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 Pigeon สัตว์เปรียบนะเปรียบ Okay, so many people know about, because many people they can feed the pigeon in Phnom Penh somehow a lot, and countryside also they may build a house for the pigeon, But long ago, normally the pigeons only live in pagoda. Because pagoda, we have the temple and the pigeon can live it well. They love the good building and the new building, the pigeon. And also in royal palace. Okay, nơi vàng đó. Cả món cái châm rồi có cái ăn châm tới tay cho tôi tới từ nơi khuôn ai tam quạt tam ấy phía trở như khởi nhá. Tai lấy có miếng cái châm ra nơi pin có miếng nơi sẽ có miếng thứ tiếp ai nơi. Okay, one more is goose. 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 Okay. Goose ní sắt cả ngàn. The goose have two colors. We have white and gray. Chẳng cả ngán như miền pi bò nó nhưng ai miền bò số hay nó bò phè. Okay, và này bò phè nó có ai miền số pu ấy chẳng đại. Another one is eagle. 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 Okay, eagle. Eagle sat and tree. Okay, the eagle normally not living in Cambodia, but somebody they can brought it from another country to fit in Cambodia, so they can live with some because they like it. But the eagle is well known for the US, the United States. They put us the best sign for the United States flag. Okay, that is the eagle. Chẳng eagle bao nơi Americ khi do về từ chia nên mất sinh nhà mũi đại đã nơi lực tung triệt vào Americ nhé, chỉ một phết sắt đại miền Nam Nai. Okay, another one is hen. 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 Hen is mê mòn á. Chẳng mòn dương bay chạy chỉ bấy dương miền rooster, dương miền chick, hay nên dương miền hen. Hay chỉ rùm thằng ở đấy dương ở một thằng chicken. Món ấy bàn tay món ấy món mế hen, còn món chick hay đọt về ba món rooster chẳng tới nữa. Okay, one more bird is sparrow. 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 Okay, sparrow. Sparrow cứ chia chạp nó chạp sọc. Một chạp sọc bằng phun phía trán score nó sparrow. Okay, one more is crow. 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 Okay, crow. Chân crow cứ sọc hay. Chân bằng phun ai score. This video is a good help for you. First thing is to know how to read some of the birds' names in English, and also I need to try to talk to explain you maybe in Khmer and in English, but normally I just translate the word in Khmer and I take some time to speak in English. That might be a good help for you to try to listen in English, and also you take time to learn some word in English, and also you know how to translate those in Khmer. And I'm going to make another video for you, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for this watching.